everyone is asking so many questions. On the radio they're asking questions. In the morning when the birds wake up, Pakshi, they're also asking questions, getting answers. The sports announcer, he's asking question, getting answer. In the businessman, kya bhav? He's asking question, he's getting his answer. Housewife is asking question, getting answer. Everyone is asking question and getting the answer. But why no one is satisfied? That is the mystery. Why no one is satisfied in spite of all these questions and all the answers? Because they're not asking the right questions. Main kaun hu? Who am I? Where do I come from? Where am I going? Who is the Supreme Being? What is my relationship with Him? These questions no one has time to ask. It doesn't fit within the TV schedule. So this question people should ask. That is the difference between animal life and human life. Dharma, Jog, Pashu, Shavan, Manusha. Dharma and religion and animal life added together equal human life. So what is human life without Dharma? Kya hai? Boliye? Pashu life. That's animalistic life. So people who are intelligent, they get sick and tired of animalistic. So actually the Indian culture can give these people direction. Actually how they can use opulence. No one knows what to do with their opulence. They're spending it on expensive and more expensive cigarettes and getting lung cancer. This is advancement. No one knows how to be happy. How to be happy, one has to be sattvic. He has to be in mode of goodness. If one has his senses controlled, then he has peace. And if he's peace, then he can be happy. And how can one control his senses in this Kali Yuga? It's not possible. Except by fixing one's mind by devotion to Krishna. Then one automatically gets control. Very easily. By chanting Hare Krishna, little bit every day. Few moments. Offering some bhoga to Krishna, taking the prasads. There's no reason why every family in every country around the world can't get together every night and chant Hare Krishna for a short time. There's no reason why not. Of course there are many bhajan, there are many kirtan that are authorized. We don't mind. We say Hare Krishna because this is known as the Maha Mantra. In the Santanaya Upanishad it says, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Iti sodasakam nam kalikalamashanasanam nata parata upaya sarva vedeshu dishyate. These 16 words, they are the medicine for all the ills of the Kali Yuga. They destroy all the kalamash, all the contamination of this Kali Yuga. And they are authorized by all the shastras, all the scriptures. So, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is simplified in the Narada Pancharatrika. It describes that all the Vedic mantras, all the tantras, everything has been combined into one mantra. And that is the 8 syllables, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So this is not a concoction. And this is being chanted all over. And actually that it has come to the West has been predicted by Sri Caitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the Kali Yuga avatar of Krishna. He predicted Prativite Ache, Jato Nagaradi Gram Sarvatra Prachar Hoibe Mor Naam, which means that in every town and village throughout the world, my name will be spread. My name will be sung. This was predicted 500 years ago, and now it is true.